Look at your bobber. It's moving. It's moving. It's moving.
Sharks.
There ain't no sharks out here.
Well, what's in here? Crocodiles?
There ain't no crocodiles either.
No, I'll do it.
You can't stand up. Got him. Got him. Nay-nay. Here, reel him up, Nay-nay. Reel him up, Nay-nay.
Uh-oh. We're crashing.
Yep, we're gonna crash. Hang on, we're gonna crash. Are you gonna ride to the lake like that? It's just right over there around the corner. Y'all ready to go? Ready?
Bye, Elaina. Bye.
That's it. We're picking it up. Isn't that light?
Here, come sit with Papa.
Oh, you should let her sit right there?
Yeah, she can sit right there on the
Sit right there
edge.
between Papa.
Sit right there.
There you go. All right.
All
Look,
right,
Elaina,
here we
you're
go,
on camera
Elaina.
right here. You're okay.
All right, this is a
Look,
kayak.
Papa has you, Elaina. Look. Papa has you. It's a little
I
wobbly
need you to
right
hold
now.
this so we can paddle together,
Hold
okay?
on.
Put your other hand on it.
You're okay. Look.
Ready?
You're in the
Look.
water. That's it.
That's it. It's not bad, is it?
Now look. Hey, Elaina. Make sure you don't go like this. Don't go crazy, okay? You
We can
like
do
that,
this.
so
Okay, you
you're
ready? Let's turn the paddle this way, and then we're going to back up. Okay?
I want to do it.
Okay, ready? Now paddle this way. Papa's got to help. You got to keep your hand on it. Paddle like that. All right, now I'm going to let go. You do like that. There you go. Now paddle the other. Go this. Now paddle that side. You got to hold it, and then like that. And then like that. And then like that, okay? Do it. Good job.
Dad's filming too. He has all that on footage.
Look at this. Look at this. She's paddling by herself. All right, we're going to go right over here, okay?
Okay.
Oh, no. You going to let Papa paddle now?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to stay right here for a second. Give me your fishing rod. Papa,
No, I'll do it.
you can't stand up. Okay? I know you want to do it, but what I want to do is get a worm on it. And get us a worm.
This is nasty trash. Sharks.
There ain't no sharks out here.
Well, what's in here? Crocodiles?
There ain't no crocodiles either.
There's only fishes?
Yeah,
Baby fishes?
it's only fishes here.
And catfishes.
Yeah, catfish, obviously. Your mommy caught a catfish, didn't she?
Yeah.
That worm wiggly?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. You ready? Now you want your ready Papa to help you? And we cast right over there. There we go. Now, watch your right, watch it and see what happens.
Uh-oh. We're crashing.
Yep, we're gonna crash. Hang on, we're gonna crash. Bump. Did we crash, Nay?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, there he is. He's biting. Got him, Nay, here. Here, reel your fish in. Reel your fish in. Reel him in. Go smooth. You hold your rod up. Get him, Nay. Get him. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All right, Elaina, look what you caught. Yeah, look at that smile. You see? You caught a perch, didn't you?
I don't want to hold it.
You want me to throw him back for you? He's under your butt. Stay still. Get back in the floor. Get back in the floor. He jumped out of my hand and I can't get him. I don't know where he's at, Nene. I got him. Stay still. Don't lean. Look. Nene, you got your perch?
Yep.
Got him.
Do you? All right.
Wait. Did
Did it go boom boom?
Little bitty French fry.
Uh-oh, Nene's on. Nene's got one. Nene's getting bit. Look at her. Look at her bobber.
Right.
Look at your bobber. It's moving. Oh, didn't get him. We missed. Well, that's the way these little perch, they bite small. Uh-oh, look at him. He's taking it.
Oh, grab it.
Got him, Nay-Nay. Here, Nay-Nay, reel your fish in. Get it with your other hand. Oh, look at the size of that one. Look at the size. That's a true bluegill. Oh, yeah, look at the size of that one. Woo, look at that. He's got some pretty color, too.
Yep, he did.
Did you get him, Nay-Nay? Don't jump in the kayak. Just look at him. Look how pretty the colors are. You see the colors? Just rub him like this. Just rub him like that. Okay. There you go. Okay, you ready to put him back?
Yeah.
All right, let's put him back. Look at the colors on that.
Yeah, fine.
Now that one had blue turquoise on top with a burnt orange on it. Nay-Nay is finna tear them little perchies up, ain't you? Oh. Got him. Nay-Nay, got another one. Here, reel him up, Nay-Nay, reel him.
No, you reel it.
No, you reel it. It's yours. She's all backward. Get him, Nay-Nay. Oh, look at this one you got. Another color, that same color. Look at that. Look at what you doing. Is that good?
Yeah, that's the same color.
Same color, ain't it?
Yes, that's the same. I caught all the fishes.
Elena's doing good. Not in the boat. There you go. You want to catch another one right there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
Papa found a honey hole, didn't he?
Yeah, the same spot.
Got him, Nay-Nay. Here, reel him up, Nay-Nay. Reel him up, Nay-Nay. Get him, look at that. Oh, yeah, look at there. Oh, Nay-Nay's got it. All right, look at that.
Hey, we haven't filmed any season.
Oh, Mama finna sneak in and get it from us. Mama's gonna sneak in. Here he goes. Look, Nay-Nay, he's spinning around. Oh.
Oh,
What?
man, he got it all. I swear, I caught 3 of them, right?
You sure did, didn't you?
Yes.
Uh-oh, Nay-Nay, you get bit right here, look.
Plus you can see.
Got him right here, look.
Get
him
it.
up. You don't pick him up? Here. Pick it. Oh, she got a crappie. You got a crappie, Elaina. Look at that. See how pretty? He just splashed us. Here, hold your rod. Let me get him off the hook.
No.
Baby, you ain't gonna come back over here?
She got a crappie.
Look at that. Oh my God.
Right up against it. I mean, we're fishing all around it and put it right against the wood. Got bit.
Ah.
Where's she going? Uh-oh, there it is. Getting bit. Got it. Oh my goodness, look at that one. Look at that one, Nay-Nay. Well, that's a true bluegill, look. I mean, right where I can just drop it, as long as you put it up against the wood.
There's a lot of fishes. Now I got 4. Now I got 4.
Well, I hope you liked this video. Hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. And make sure you use this QR code so you can see when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Remember, keep your line wet, your hook sharp. We'll see you next time.
Sharks.
Ain't no sharks out here.
Well, what's in here? Crocodiles?
Ain't no crocodiles either.